How to receive money on Remitly. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can receive money on Remitly. Or before we go further, I must inform you that receiving money on or through Remitly is straightforward, and here is how to do it. The first step is to log in into Remitly and create an account if you've not. Alright, for me I've created an account already. Now to create your account, you may be asked to provide necessary details, which includes your name, address and phone number. Just go ahead and provide all of that. So once you've done all of that and you're on your Remitly page, the next thing you must notice that for you to be able to receive money on Remitly, you'd have to have a Remitly account, right? And then if that's the case, for you to have a Remitly bank account, you would have to first of all complete all of your registration, your verification. For me, I still have some registration to be done, and then what do? Move to the top right side of the screen where you can see the welcome address. Click on welcome and then click on settings. Okay, so after clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page where the needed information of yours it will be displayed, and then it includes your name, address, phone number and all of that, and then payment methods and everything. Ensure you fulfill all of this, and then if you've done that and this top part is still displaying which says we need some information from you to complete your request, just go ahead and click it. Then after clicking on that, you can see that you'll be brought to a page which is known as the Resolution Center. So on this page, you can see click here to complete your identity verification, click here to complete your identity verification. So just click on any of it and then complete your identity verification. Now for the identity verification, you could be asked to provide your passport or your SSN or whatever. Just provide the required information, and then from there, by the time you go back to your settings page, you will then see your account number. So for you to receive money, all you need to do is to go back there, click on the page, get your account number, copy it and then paste it or send it to whomever requested for it. And then once the person sends the money, by the time you come to transfer history, you will definitely see the money there, or the money being sent, and then you would see that the money has been sent to your account because the currency or the amount in your account would have changed. And you also receive notifications of a money being sent to you on Remitly. All right, so that's basically it. And then if you want to send money to someone, just as once you're on the send money page, after you've carried out this, that is, you've done all of your verification, let's come over here, type in the amount you want to send, and then the amount they would receive in their own currency would be displayed, and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, you'll be asked to input the recipient details such as their name, their address, their phone number, as well as the bank account. And then once you've done that, choose a payment method. Is it bank transfer, cash pickup, or wallet, mobile wallet, whatever. And then once you're done, Remitly would notify you once the transfer is ready and you are good to go. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.